Brain Pop Jr. Silent E Easy Quiz. Be sure to put your name at the top of your paper. Question 1. What does the picture show? A. Rake. B. Race. C. Rack. Or D. Rock? Circle your correct answer. Number 2. Which word rhymes with the picture? A. Tire. B. Ride. C. Pile. Or D. Cane? Circle the correct answer. Number 3. Which word has a long O sound? A. Otter. B. Hops. C. Mole. Or D. Stomp? Circle the correct answer. Number 4. Which has a long I sound in its name? A. Apple. B. Stick. C. Hat. Or D. Kite? Circle the correct answer. Number 5. What is the opposite of careless? A. Careful. B. Careful. C. Careful. Or D. Careful? Circle the correct answer.